All right, we gotta get started. Everyone, please come and sit down. I hope that we have a space for you all. But I really appreciate you all coming down for our kickoff meetup. It's welcome to the Cloud Native Meetup, and the purpose of the meetup today is really introduce this meetup group, the charter, what we all about. What do we mean about Cloud Native, and we want to hear what you think Cloud Native is for you. We have our host here. My name is Marcelo Borges. We have Michael Cote presenting in a little bit, and then we have Ed working with us as well on the setup.
We can pronounce it on last name.
That's right.
Took a while.
So a little bit about myself. I'm a Pivotal employee, and I help companies on their cloud native journey. Been around for a little bit, so I started building systems. Then I networked them back in the early 90s. Then I spent a bit of time with a company called Information Builders based in New York. So I wrote, test, and managed software that were used by large organizations. And I have a little note on a marketing launch of an application server that we launched towards the end of 1998. That was a bit before the J2E kind of bandwagon was started. Then with that Information Builders, we created a company called iWay Software. That was in 2000, before the 2001 tech crash. And in there, I got to build frameworks that are used to do integration between different software applications. After a few years at iWay Software, I joined Oracle, and what I did, I helped large organizations use technology to differentiate themselves. And after a few years, I landed at Pivotal, where we are working towards this cloud native journey and all this great stuff on building great software. That's the agenda for today. So logistics wise, behind you we've got the pizza pies. I think we order about 10 pies. We have some gluten free for you that have some dietary needs. We have beer. Unfortunately, no water. So pizza and beer is our thing. Bathrooms around the corner. And anything else, you just let us know. So I want to cover the meetup group charter and understand what we are trying to accomplish with this group, and see how we can move it forward. Then we have the presentation on what is Cloud Native. And then what we'd like to do is, at the end of the meetup, we would like you to leave with something that you can use. So what we are going to do, we are going to be showing you an open source project for the Cloud Foundry platform. I'm going to show you how you can take that and run on your laptop. So now you can start experimenting with a Cloud Native platform. And then drinks, I guess, throughout the presentation, feel free to just stand up and grab your drinks. What we're trying to do in this particular meetup, we want to collaborate. First, we want to collaborate with the local communities within Austin. And if it makes sense for us to merge with an existing meetup, do meetups together with, let's say, the Cloud Foundry local group, or the DevOps, or containers, or whatnot, we will be working with them to make sure that we make the best use of our time. We want to make sure that we learn, and we want to network, we want to meet people, we want to see what you guys are doing, what challenges you have, and hopefully find a way that we can collaborate on resolving or solving that problem. And we want to have fun. So we want to have pizza, we want to have beer, and we want to make sure that we enjoy our time. With that, what I like to do is hand over to Michael Cote to talk about Cloud Native, the why and what. And then after he's done, I want to kind of give you a demo and show you how you can take a Cloud Native platform and run on your laptop, so you can start playing with the concepts of the meetup. Okay.